Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to change background color in Blender. In this tutorial, I will show how to change background color for viewport and render. Firstly, I will show how to change viewport background. We can go to Edit and Preferences, and then we can go to Themes and go to 3D viewport, and we can go to the bottom. We can find thin space, and we can go down to gradient colors. We can choose single color or we can choose linear gradient. I will choose single color, and then we can pick a color. For example, I pick a blue color. And then we can close the preferences window. You can see that the viewport background color is changed. And then we can switch to render preview. We can see that the render is keep it as default. So if you want to change the background color for render, we can go to the rail properties, and then we can click use nodes, and then we can find colors here, and then click, you can change the color here. So we can see that we can switch the render engine for Eevee, and we can switch to cycles. So both render engine are works for changing the background color. So this is how we can change background color for viewport and for render in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will share with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye.